Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about communication. Nowadays there isn't a definition about communication, and neither can we say that it is a science.
Why? Because communication is made for different disciplines like maths, anthropology, cybernetics, sociology, psychology, philosophy, linguistics, semiology, etc. etc.
The pioneer was a Greek philosopher, Aristotle, with the classical model, sender, message, and receiver.
The partners of communication model are American.
Harold Laswell was an American sociologist. He was the first person who made systematically a communication model. Who, what, in which channel, to whom, and why.
We know that many students of communication are followed with maths, but the maths are fundamental with this discipline. Two mathematician engineers created mathematical communication model.
Claude Shannon was an American mathematician and an electrical engineer.
Warren Weaver was a biologist and he created the information theory.
Norbert Wiener was an American mathematician and he is the father of the cybernetics. One of his gifts to the communication is the concept of feedback or interaction.
Now, we are going to talk about the following theory: media ecology. One means change its stance when other means is inserted.
Mediation, the way which a person understands the world from what communication shapes have been trained in his or her brain. The media ecology was originally stated by Neil Postman. Postman was an American sociologist and cultural critic. He was the director of the Department of Culture and Communication of the University of New York and professor of media ecology, and he was a disciple of Marshall McLuhan.
Well, now we are going to talk about Marshall McLuhan. Herbert Marshall McLuhan was a Canadian philosopher, a bookworm, and professor of English literature.
With the following table, we are going to explain this theory.
We have four types of mediations. Oral, whose speech is called additive and subordinate. The kind of memory of the people who belong this mediation is just sayings or parables. A wise is someone who can be an authority.
Then we have the learned one. Its speech is analytic and subordinate, and people's memory is based on books and studies. An expert is the authority for this mediation.
After that, we have the electronic mediation, whose speech is contemplative and analog. Metaphors are the kind of memory that people who belong this mediation have. This mediation is based in celebrities.
Finally, we have digital mediation. Its speech is simultaneous and multimedia. Virtual memory is chosen for this mediation. A hacker can be an authority. And now you know a little bit more about this theory. Thanks.